This is me traveling 35 minutes for a Walmart. Can y'all guess where I'm at? We're at Walmart again, once more. So I am about 40 minutes away from home. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. But I woke up super early today. I took melatonin on purpose last night so that I can head to the stores early in the morning. And it's early for me. It's like, I think it's 12 now, but look at this Walmart, y'all. It looks like a barn. It kind of fits the area where I'm at. If you guys are local to me, I'm in Deltona. Let's see what we can find at this Walmart. Apparently, according to Brickseek, we have a lot of tool sets for $1. So 90% off tool sets. Let's see if we can find them. I came to this Walmart on purpose because Brickseek did show that this Walmart had more than 6 in stock of all the ones that I was looking for. So let's make this 40-minute drive worth. At your store, check for these displays here that says the Hyper Tough. So these were here since like Black Friday and they're getting marked down. These here are all $1 except for this one. This one is $5, but these were $10 and now they are a whole $1. So $1 for that, $1 for these, $1 for this. I'm still trying to scan the area because I was looking for some other ones like an electric staple gun and a cordless screwdriver, which was also $1 and $2.50. But as soon as I came over here, there was a guy who was just scanning the whole entire area and he had a couple in his cart. So I doubt that I can find any. Again, they might be in the regular section. They might not be because, like I said, they are going to be in this little display thing here. My other store also had a same display like this, but it was red. So it wasn't like this, but it was just red. Same brand, but just red. So we would have to maybe check the store, maybe we would look around, end cap, other places. But yeah, I'm glad I kind of found those though. If anything, I'll probably head over to a other local Walmart and see if I can find those other ones because I really do want that electric staple gun. So we found these at the store and then we'll go off to a different store. Over by their clearance section, let me tell y'all, this clearance section looks clean. It's not like my stores. We have Yankee candles for $5. I already showed you guys some of those already. $5. This one's really good. I like these. These also I love. $5. This one's only $3, which is a really good price. Then we have some reusable water bottles for $2. Coffee mugs for $1. And then these are super cute. I don't know why I like them, but you guys know I like tumblers. So these are $4. These are brand Zach, which is a really good brand. So there's a barcode for that. They retail to $10 and they're on clearance for $4. Super cute. I think I'll probably grab one for my daughter since she's always wanting a water bottle. This is super cute. Look at this. These here, these are like my husband's favorite candles. They're only $10. Ooh, this one smells really good. The white teak. So I think we might just stock up because we're always buying them. But the Woodwick, $10. I'm gonna head over to a other store right now. I'm still debating if I should go to that store or not. But I did find this towel. I was looking for more of these. There's a lot of them in my area that are being marked down. And this is only 25 cents. So here's the barcode for that. Don't mind my hair. That was my hair. I'm sorry, you guys. So that is the barcode for that. 25 cents for the towel. Again, that's $1. My snack, my water. And these candles, which I love, for $10. And then a cup for my daughter for $4, which I think it's so adorable. Look at that. It's so cute. I like the top. And that's pretty much it that I found here. Like I mentioned, when I came over here, there was another gentleman that had like a cart full of stuff, but it's okay. I'll probably head over to another Walmart to see if I can find more of these. I was looking for the electric staple gun, but they didn't have them here, so it is what it is. I'm over by store number 2. I'm actually super close to my house because I was not wanting to drive. Anyways, so remember these? I got them for $5. This store has them at $8. The cutlery set is $10 here. This is a good buy. This is $2.50 or $2.49. I don't know what's the difference, but $2.50 for a pack of 2. Some ice blocks for 50 cents. I saw this one over here. I was like, ooh, but most likely this was a return because I've never seen this in my store. And it was $579 and now it's $349. That is a lot. We have a Jojo Siwa hoverboard, which was $150 and now it's only $99, but I would wait for this. Honestly, it could go lower than that. A lot of the skateboards are still $17 and $25, which I filmed this already like couple weeks ago when I was here. This also, again, it looks like it went down, like, I think when I filmed this it said $100, so I think it went down $25 more. Another item over here, I think that was still $65. Some other things here and there probably went down a little bit lower. That was $20, now it's $15. So it looks like the toys is going down little by little. Still some more Christmas stuff. These pet toys are actually 75, or no, they're actually 49 cents. I bought some yesterday for my dogs and they're only 49 cents. Looks like this was back stock and they just brought it back out. That at my other store that I was just in was $10. Over here is $25. Cocoa melon, 19. Some good stuff, I guess. A lot of these little wax warmers, I've seen them in all the stores and they have a lot of them, so they're $1.50 from the Pioneer Woman. More candles, which I showed you guys about the candles, but the candles over here are more expensive than the store that I was just at. So little food for thought there. About to leave the store, but right when I was in the cosmetics section, I saw an employee with these in her cart, like a go back cart. So I don't know if she was gonna plan on buying them, but as soon as she left I grabbed it just to check the price and I knew it. It is 50 cents. 50 cents for these.